What's happening?
Are you guys ready for Japan?
Excited. Yes.
Ate?
Mirror. On the wall. Kala mo, mga anak to. Here we go. Oras na.
Mantay ba yan?
Yes. No going back.
Ayaw ko na!
1, 2, 3. Wow!
Tayo mo yung middle
Okay,
finger mo, baka
here
gumagawa.
we go. Wait, don't do me to her face. Look, mommy, look. These are the results.
Damn!
Show your fit. Outfit
This is
themes.
grade.
Raid? Raid?
This is for day 1. Share ano nga?
My what?
Yung theme ng outfits mo. So, first thing is
Walang
red.
nagtanong.
Yeah, she's doing the rainbow because show my shoes pa.
Hindi
Who
naman
you
namin.
are. Tap dance.
Hindi ko alam anong number niya.
Say hi.
Oh, may binigay.
Are you ready to go to Japan?
Yes.
Wow. Digicam.
Wow, digicam.
Parang nagpo-propose. Nerd alert. Nothing. You're just gonna see the video.
You're not talking to me.
You
Nice blue eye. And then most precious item.
Yeah. He was putok. Okay. We don't know Stanley.
Tyson.
Mike Tyson? Mike Tyson?
Mike Tyson.
Here's one.
Yeah, I have here in the middle of my bag.
What? I forgot. We brought 2 more. I think one line. I mean. What is this?
Products. Easy.
Ano?
Ano yan ah? Laway? Hindi.
Asa? Seryoso?
My best friend right now, Didox. Makeup bag. Makeup brush bag.
You're going to this.
This is my Clara and the
You know.
Sun. It's about like the robot meets human kind of thing. And then my phone.
What are the important things in there?
The handkerchief na I'm gonna use as a. It's actually panel in a manga.
This is Kaisa. Well, I watched 10 episodes of that. Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
Bye, Philippines. It was nice to know you. Pagod na ako.
Konnichiwa, 여러분.
Meron na fudge.
Ano tayo nakapag
Where are we?
Japan!
Daddy, where are we?
Japan! Japan!
Are you excited?
No! Japan!
Yun ang gawin mo tal. Bili na kaya tayo ng umbrella sa 7-Eleven.
Kaya nga.
I'm scared.
Where are we? The Roppongi Place.
Hills.
And that is the... Ano yun? Tokyo Tower.
Lennon, Paul McCartney, and I don't know which is which, Ringo Starr and si... This is Ringo. The bushy eyebrows.
We are in the Beatles Museum.
Not really the Beatles Museum, Paul.
Can I record inside?
I don't think so.
Oh man! Ikot-ikot lang. How do you feel here?
Well, amazing. Yeah.
Interview na natin si Bini Mika. Kumusta na pa yung Jollibee, ano niya, success? Nangungulangot para si Bini Mika.
How do you feel?
Wonderful.
Who's your favorite Beatles member? Who's your bias?
Paul McCartney. Wow. Ano kaya tayo? Mahal yan.
Ay, oh. Ang cute oh. Favorite ko yan eh. Charmander.
Charmander.
Ay, yung origami. Bilan mo kami ng Cartier.
Ha?
Bilan mo kami dyan.
Oo, kaya ko yan.
Kaya ba?
Ewan ko yun. May flash ba to? How was the curry? Good. That was a good curry. Ang pangit.
I'm gonna take a picture.
Mine is... Ano yung sa akin? Raspberry and watermelon. Do you love fruits?
Nope. If there's mango here, I would.
May bakit? Happy joke. Nakaka-edit naman yung talaga yun.
Papansin.
Sino? Bilok ng wine.
Cloud chaser.
Kasi yung wine. Mag-inom tayo wine.
Sige.
Sa bahay. Peach. Si Bini Mika kung kumakain ng gano'n.
Okay, I'm gonna try blueberry. Yeah.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. No.
Drink water. You rather just watermelon either.
What's this? Raspberry.
You won't like it.
What is it? Salted caramel.
Diyan, diyan, diyan.
Chocolate. Pinagurang kahit. Oh, ang fun na lang. Vanilla again. Alam ko yung kamukha ko. Yan, kamukha mo.
Oy, huli ka. We are now going home. Ang ganda ko pala.
Okay.
Ay, ang pogi nung lalaki sa convenience
Sa umbrella.
store.
But you know what I love about Japan din?
Hindi.
Okay.
Okay. Day 1 done.
Day one din, ang dami palang pogi dito.
The one in, ano?
So tall. Sa convenience store?
Yeah.
Mukhang mangga. Sabi ko, wow.
Uy, si Teletubby.
Joke lang.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yan, yan. Yan.
Are you excited?
For what?
Ate Jude! Hi! Wow! Ang ganda ko naman.
Pinoy, di ba yung Italy?
After the seminar.
And then, okay, so mag-quietly go siya. She's like, Be, tinanong ko kung anong lahi. Pinoy, taga-Kuwait.
Sabi?
Oo, ang laki.
Tito, kamusta yung seminar?
It's a fun scam, you know. That's for, you know. In 2025, we'll do seminar here, Botava.
And,
The Sweaty Beast?
sinong mapalad?
Sinong natulog?
Saan?
Natulog ka?
Nakita mo ako nung natutulog?
Oo. Natulog ka?
Wait, Mau. Wait, yung my pop mark of the day.
Introduce him.
His name is...
Mapicturean ba yung bad?
Next.
We're at a hotel.
Ay, sorry naman anak. Hi!
Okay,
Kita mo, oh.
Uy, grabe naman.
Ano ba sinasabi ni Tito Ate mo?
Kung ano?
Malapit lang pala kayo kay Hachiko. Napasyalan
sa
nyo na.
baba, di
Napasyalan
ba?
nyo na.
Shibuya Crossing pa lang. Duman lang
Nung
kami
pumunta
kagabi.
kami doon, wala siya kagabi.
Hinintay yung amo ko.
Wala siya siya Tuesday.
Ito kasi iba po yung planot eh.
Oh, ano spelling? Ano spelling ng Chico?
Tita, sinong gusto niyo makita sa Disney?
Si Disney.
Si,
Si Francis Sarah.
ang patatas.
Si Ariel.
Tita lang po, sobrang haba na po ng pila sa rides.
Yeah.
Eh di doon sa tayo last dos ng umaga.
Ay, nasa sa akin yung dollar.
Hindi ko kailangan.
Ubus na?
Isang lang.
We are now in Team La Operators. Can you even see it? Oh, look at my teeth. Oh, and it smells good. I forgot to vlog every room. But we are now in the room of wonderful Christmas lights. How is it?
Very nice.
Galing ka kasi daw pumili.
Oh. I'm so confused if something's a mirror. Wow. Hindi
So
ko,
amazing. Galing. Itong artwork.
Ayan ang artwork. Nahihilo ako dito. We are now in a room of the TikTok drawing fish thing. Oh, it's me.
Seahorse?
Correct. Happy Pride Month. And Hechan Month. Iba na ng pag-asa yan. Hechan, you're with me forever. Naka-mirror. And, uy, Philippines! Philippines! Si, yung kay Mami! Sino ba si Idol Hechan? Sino ba yun? Go! Let's go!
All clear information. Select. Touch the receipt button.
Hindi ko yun kilala. Sino ba yun? What drink?
Yes.
Yung peach.
Ang galing.
This is what I look like after hours of walking. And 2 hours of training. And they weren't even there. That's how much they support me. They weren't even there.
You
No
mean
seminar.
this is out of context? I was videoing
Ano?
you. And I got
Ano?
teary-eyed. I was like, oh, I'm so proud of Pao. Legit. I was like, oh, who would have thought na the 7-year-old girl in her red belt or white belt or whatever would compete in Japan. I got teary-eyed nga when I talked to Ate about it. Pao so passionate in karate.
Buti na lang.
Yeah.
Nakakita lang ng vending machine. What's your rating?
More than what I expected.
Wow!
What's your favorite part of the exhibit?
Ako yung balls ko.
Balls?
Oh, and the LEDs.
LED.
Like crystals.
Saka yung isa yung I like the
drawing.
drawing.
Nandiyan ang chat yan.
Okay, bye.
Wow.
Next!
Sorry. My inspiration is yung mga nagsascan sa ano, tapos may heat waves and mayroon na ibang.
You had an inspiration ka agad.
Yes.
I just did it.
See, that's so cute! Carrot colored.
Uy!
Philippines!
What's your inspiration?
Philippines!
Why?
Why?
Kasi mukhang tilapia yung fish.
Last and the least, the smiley.
Everyone.
Sayonara!
Wow! Sa'yo na.